Hello. Today we're gonna get some fiber in our bodies. I'm gonna make a really delicious cabbage salad. Look, salads for a lot of people are just like they intimidate them, right? It's a lot of prep. They can get soggy if you don't time it right. Not this one. This cabbage salad is bloody fantastic. There's not a lot of ingredients. A little mayo, some sesame oil, some sesame seeds, a little bit of green onion, some rice wine vinegar. This stays crunchy. You can make this hours before you're going to eat it. And actually, this thing lasts for days and stays crispy. It is fantastic. Super easy to prep. Let's go. Let's get some fiber. Here's everything you're going to need. Obviously, half of a green cabbage, some mayonnaise, some sugar, some salt, some cracked pepper, a little bit of Dijon, a little bit of roasted sesame oil, some either pre-toasted or freshly toasted sesame seed, and about 4 green onions. That's it. Let's go. First, I forgot one more really essential ingredient, some rice vinegar. We'll come back to that. Okay, so you've got this core in the cabbage, which holds the whole thing together, but we want to get that out of there. It's going to make it a lot easier to chop. So straight down the cut here, and we want to just take this out carefully along the side. So just above the core here, we're going to come in and just get rid of that. Same on this side. One at a time, and we're just going to cut it down this side here like this, as finely as we can get it. About 2/3 of the way through, I like to flip it on its side. First of all, it makes it a little safer to cut, and you get some smaller pieces in there. Okay. There's our cabbage. Let's just set that aside. Next up, our green onions. You throw a little angle on that. Stop about halfway up through the greens. Okay, we're going to put in about 3/4 cup of mayo for that much cabbage. A tablespoon of Dijon. About 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt. You're going to want to put in about a tablespoon of the toasted sesame seeds into the dressing. We're going to save the rest of them for the finished product. We'll just drizzle those on top. About 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, perfect. Okay, let's put this all together. Greens right in there. Okay. All you just do is you dump that dressing on top, give it a big mix. Then you just take the rest of your toasted sesame seeds and we'll just sprinkle those on top for a little extra crunch. And that is it. And there she is. Just a perfect little side salad or light lunch. Super crispy. And of course, pairs just perfectly with one of my little mini beef and cheese pies. I'll put the links to the 2 recipes that I have below. Look at this. So crunchy and good. See you guys? I can be healthy. I love this salad so much. I mean, come on. Peace. See you later.